Welcome to my toilet lair. And my Florida hair. Safety glasses. So this piece right here already exists on that. It's already up there, so why am I not using the right tool for the job? Because we brought all our tools back into the house to fix stuff when the hurricane hit. So I just don't want to go back out there and get them. So yes, my tools are rusty. We live next to the ocean. What do you say? Hit the hole, tippy-toe. Actually, this one's a little bit easier than the one in the cabin because the guest cabin is there's more room back here. Right, since I don't know what the colors are, I am just going to randomly jam them up in there because I'm not going to get electrocuted. And we'll see if I guess right the first time. Of course not. Hey, alright. There's some interesting cords in here. That looks great. So I'm going to leave that on. Put all of these away. I'll be right back.